From Rama's life, this is what we had. Ramo vigrahavana dharma. Dharayati iti dharma. That which bears, which protects everyone is dharma. And what is dharma? What is dharma? Doing good is our dharma. Doing our duty, and our duty is to do good. What others do to us, it does not matter. We have to always be doing good. That is the personality of Rama. What others think, what others say, or what others do to us is secondary. What we do to others is most important. What we think, what we say, what we do, that is dharma. And that Atma Dharma, to be good, to be divine, that is the dharma that we have to follow under all circumstances, favorable and unfavorable, like how Lord Rama did. He stood by his word, he stood by his dharma in all situations. And that is the personality of Rama. We must also try to emulate. Today the world is suffering because we have lost this sense of dharma. And that is why all humanity, all world is suffering. Because somewhere on the way we have forgotten our basic duty towards each other, which is to do good and do no harm. And that is what is causing all the troubles in the world today. So if each one of us start going back and follow our dharma, which is to do good, the world will become better. It may begin with an individual. You have a Vayagic dharma, individual's dharma, then you have a Kutumba dharma, that is your family dharma, then you have a Desha dharma, as a country you have a dharma towards the world, then as a jati, Manava jati, you have a dharma towards each other. So if we do all the things that we need to do as human beings, world will become better. And that is the only thing that we have to learn from Sri Rama's life. In all situations, follow your dharma. Swadharmo nidhanashreya. Paradharma bhayavaha. This is better to die doing your own dharma than to change your dharma. So that is the idea of dharma. You have to do good, irrespective of what others do to you. That is how Sri Rama was. That is how we also should be. And that is what will make this world better. We are always busy telling others what they should do or what they should not do. But how many times we ask ourselves if we are doing everything good, everything right. So first let us look at ourselves before telling others what they should do. And let us follow dharma in our daily life. Definitely from that dharma, there will be good. Only if that good will come out for everyone. And seeing you, somebody else may get inspired. Through them, some more people may get inspired. And that way the whole world may follow this path of goodness. And that is the message of Bhagavad Gita also. I say Bhagavad Gita's message is Mama Dharma. Do your duty. As a teacher, do your duty. As a son, do your duty. As a father, do your duty. As a wife, do your duty. As your husband, you do your duty. That is the greatest help you can do to the world. If everybody does their duty properly, there is no need of having any service organizations like this. Only when few people fail to do their duty, do their dharma in this world, do we need others to go and make up for that loss. To provide for that what has not been provided. To do what has not been done by those who are supposed to do. But each and every person if starts doing, that is Rama Rajya. Everybody does his duty, does good in whatever capacity, then whole world will become better. So we have to become conscious of this idea. This is the message of Ramanavami, that everybody does their duty to perfection with devotion, with selflessness. The whole world will become better. We won't need anybody else to come and tell us how to do it. We should know ourselves because we do it for the sake of doing good. We do it as an offering to God. With that idea, everybody should live.